Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, take a look around at some of my older videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Real quick, I'm gonna wet the face. Well, it's time for a shave video. How are you guys doing? I'm going to do a little bit of the glycerin pre-shave here. I'll work that in a little bit. All right. Today, we're going to be using, or not we, but I, and you'll be watching, the Hawk version 3 with the aggressive plate. This is an Artisan Club style razor, and this is by Razorock. I already have the blade loaded in there for you to save a little bit of time, and that is the Feather Pro. The soap that I'm going to be using is from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and it is Clown Fruit. Last year, I missed out on this. This year, I went ahead and got it. Now, I will put a picture right here for the scent profile. There's what the soap looks like. And I will have to tell you, this is not a smell that I can really describe note by note. But I will say that it is root beerish kind of a scent. Very nice. All right, I have that already whipped up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my trusty Omega Boar brush. And for the guys that have been watching for a while, you'll notice that I'm in a different bathroom of my house, and this is the bathroom that I like to call the ghost room, because there's always little things going on in here. And quite often, I'll get a tickle in my throat. And so, I don't know, I just figured today maybe a day to kind of clown around a little bit and have a nice shave. All right, so, you know what I just thought of? I forgot the star jelly in here. Don't you worry, I will get it before we get started. Or should I say, before I need to use it. All right, I'm a little nervous about using this razor because I know this is an aggressive plate, and the open comb was already pretty aggressive, but let's give this a go. I do have 3 days worth of growth. And I can tell you right away, it's not as bad as what I thought. It's actually pretty smooth. And wow, that is nice and efficient. That has mowed that down. You could almost call that good with one pass. So the smoothness and the sharpness of the blade combination, I think pairs very nicely. Now I do not have the standard plate, but I would imagine, a little hair there, I would imagine that it's probably exceptionally smooth. There is a little bit of blade feel on here, but really for what you're getting, it's not that aggressive, like harsh feel. You could just feel that it's cutting. And I was kind of worried about the lather channel because whenever I first put the blade on there, it seemed a little bit like maybe it wasn't gonna, not really wash out, but you know, when you're shaving, if the hair is gonna pass through along with the soap. Let's see if you can get a little, probably not gonna focus there. My eyes aren't focusing either. Do you guys have any new shave gear? We had some nice 70-degree days, and then today when I woke up, it was pretty windy, and it was kind of drizzling a little bit. With the temperature dropping, I decided it was time to break out the flannel. We're getting into some flannel weather. Let's spread the love around a little bit here with the leftover soap, and wow, like I said, this I could be done with no problem. We can't stop there. Let's go ahead and apply a lather for our second pass across the grain. And before I even got this soap, I had already decided, because I had heard it kind of smelled like root beer, I just went ahead and got the body bar. And I have been using that for a couple days. And the smell of it compared to the soap is spot on the same. If you guys have thought about getting this plate, but we're a little concerned about how aggressive it might be, I would say go for it. It's not as bad as what I thought it would be. And I have actually had plates that feel a lot more aggressive than this. That is nice. With it being No Shave November, I had thought about growing my beard out, but for the sake of the videos, I know you don't want to just see me shaving my neck. So I may shave this off and just have some handlebars. Off camera, I've got some cold water in a bowl, and I'm going to do a rinse real quick. I really feel like the cold water rinse in the ice cube helps out a lot for a little bit of the razor burn that I experience at times. And today, instead of using my typical block cube, I actually went with the ball, which is a lot more difficult to use because it's hard to get your hands in there. The old black sheep towel by Lancaster always does a nice job wicking that away. And just so you know, I'm not sponsored by anybody. All the products that I have shown today is something that I've purchased with my own hard-earned money. I do have the matching splash, which does have some different artwork on it. And this has that beautiful restrictor. And on the new ones, well, I guess what I'm saying is when the bottle is full, it just takes a few more shakes to get it out. And if you've watched for a while, you know what time it is. That's right, it's Star Jelly time. Oh yes. Just give a little. I don't even use a full pump whenever I do that. This stuff seems to go pretty far. Something else I wanted to do, because we haven't done it in a while, let's do a little lather porn. Look at that. Whew. This may be a little on the thinner side, but I did use 1/4 of a teaspoon of soap and 13 milliliters of water. Look at that. And for you fellas out there, my wife did say that she enjoyed the scent of this soap, and so that's a plus. And if you're a lady shaver out there, you might want to give this a spin. I liked it so much. That's right, I ordered 2. All right, well, I'll put a picture right here of everything that I used today. And I'd like to say thank you one more time for everyone that stuck with me to watch this entire video. It was a great shave, and I look forward to seeing you on the next shave. If you have any comments, please leave them below and let me know. You guys have a great shave.